Hey guys, how to make a Gamepass in PLS Donate. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open Roblox on your laptop. After opening Roblox, there is a Create button at the top. Click on it. After that, there is a Creation button on the left side. Click on it. This is my experience. Click on My Experience below. And scroll down the left side and click on the monetization option at the bottom and click on Passes. Here is the complete setup to create a Gamepass. Click Create Pass below. After that, there is a Change button at the top. From here you can change the picture, which is the picture of the Gamepass. You can change it and name below and add a description below. Then click on Create Pass below. After creating a Gamepass, you can make it ready for sale. Then click on the Gamepass you created and click on the left side Sale. After that you will see the Item for Sale option. Enable it from here. And below is its price written. I wrote 100. After that click the below Save Change and click the Proceed. Your Gamepass is ready for sale. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.